Yeah, it has arrived faster than I expected. And my hands are shaking right now. And Sinan is my barista. Oh my god. And I'm sorry for all the mistakes here because this is my first video and I didn't know how this video is going to be. And I also have no idea what's in here, so I think we have to start right now. And oh my goodness, there's already a hole. I don't know what's going on, but okay. Oh my god. Do you know that I almost bought the channels it's fried or I don't know what it's called, but it's one of those and it was really amazing, but since Simon is one step ahead in my vice list, so I decided to buy this one. Oh my god, this really takes, oh my god.
Oh my god. I don't know. Oh my god. This is so thick. This is so big. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at it. Okay, before we start with the photo book, let's go with the other stuff. I'm so nervous, I'm sorry. Oh, freak. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Poster of his beautiful face. Oh, it's freak. I don't know how to focus with his face, but it's just like, okay, it's like this. Big ass poster of his beautiful face. Okay, I made it too. Okay. Before we start with the photo book. Oh, so excited. Oh, cards and stuff. I really like cards. It's so cute. Oh my god, it's for the cards. Oh my, I mean, it's for postcard. It's postcard. So cute. Oh, Seon. So cute. Seon is so cute. Okay. And oh, I actually didn't know what it is, but I think it's kind of sticker or something. It's really cute. Okay. Oh, and the photo cards. So cute. It's adorable. It's from Wolf Era. It's so adorable. Okay. I'm sorry. We need to take this on. And now, oh, it's the DVD. It's DVD. I mean, yeah. We're next. Oh, and it's the note. Yeah, it's the note. And oh, did they really choose this fan art? Oh my god, so cute. It's really looking. And oh my god, a fan. Sehun. I got one of Dio from Swave Island, and I got that really from SM Town, and now I get Stay it helps a lot. Yeah, it's getting perfect now. Okay, and it's DVD. Do I really need to open this? Okay. Okay, I'm sorry I had a problem with the plastics. It's really hard to open it because my hands are shaking of excitement. So cool, oh my god. Okay. So hard to... Oh yeah, and I'm sorry for all this messy. And I still can't fix it, the camera's focus. It's really annoying, I'm sorry, I know it. Oh, so it was like... Oh my god. These are so messy. I can't wait to watch them. And this is the track list. I'm sorry, it's taking the focus. Mama Era, Wolf Era. From the trailer thing, it like spend times and other stuff. It's so cool. It's so cool. I would cherish this like every night, you know. I can't wait. Okay. So we're already done with the DVD and freebies, and let's go to the photo book. I may need to take a break or something. I'm so nervous. Okay, I may need the same pen to calm me down. Let's have some, okay? I think it's not okay. It's really big. More than I expected. Okay, let's go. I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I'm just gonna open up the pages, okay? You know I don't want you guys to sit me or something, but please just kind of remind me of my birth. So I will try to put my prayer as possible as I can. Oh my god, I really like this. I love singing. It looks like Father of Boy. I can't see. Oh my goodness, so damn tough. It's getting tired day by day. I'm so sad. Okay. And it has the cuteness. There's a do you know what my problem is? Sarah's flashlights. I mean, how can that face goes along with that body of overall? Oh my goodness. I mentioned ladies and boys here. I asked them to put this picture on the photo book. They were really cool. Oh my god. I actually didn't know if they really check my makeup or not, but thank you so much. This is my favorite segment. He badass. He's a badass. But he's also a baby. Oh my god. He's a baby. He looks so happy. He's a baby in a suit and tie. His legs. Baby, I got goosebumps. He's raising his lips again. His habit. So cute. Shinies. Look at this glory, oh my god. I'm like, oh. And I think he was wearing like the do you know how freaking excited I am? I can't speak. I mean, I bet he was wearing contact lens. Yeah, contact lenses. Just look at his eyes. He's so cute. Oh my god, this is my favorite moment too. It looks like a marshmallow and peanut. A peanut has graduated from high school. That's amazing. It looks so bad. Oh my god, he's shit. So cute. He's so adorable. What? I'm sorry. Just I can't stop. Okay, I'm sorry. I love his pink hair. It suits him. Oh god, he's so hot. It's really hot. I think my heart itching really bad right now. He's so cute. He's so hot. I think this is the last history performance. Oh, so we're entering the World era. This is for Happy Ken, right? So cute. What is his face? What the fuck? I like this performance too. He's so cute. Shit. Oh my god. Say, what are you doing, baby? He looks like a lost kitten or something. I don't understand. I don't get him. Why he's so cute. You're making me upset. Sarah and Hunhan babies. He's so cute. So sweet. Flick here. Flick. Okay. We're down there. So, yeah. I still can't speak. Need a lot of Mexican. So yeah, this is what I think that's all that I can show you to you guys. I'm sorry for all the mistakes, and I'm sorry if you got annoyed by my voice and my grammar and stuff, and the camera too. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I just made it for fun. This is so precious. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this video. So, thanks for watching, and goodbye. See you next time.